Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn capital letters, alphabets and numbers. Kids class name blue color, red color, yellow color, green color, yellow ochre color, black color. Kids now coloring alphabets and numbers. It's firstly draw A. A is for apple and use blue color. B. B is for ball. Kids now draw C. C is for cat. Kids now draw D. D is for dog and use red color. E. E is for egg. F. F is for fish. It's neither G. G is for goat and use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw H. H is for hand. Kids again use yellow color and draw I. I is for ice cream. It's neither J. J is for joker and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw K. K is for king. L. L is for lion. Kids now draw M. M is for mango and use yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw N. N is for nose. Kids now draw O. O is for orange and use black color. P. P is for parrot. Kids again use black color and draw Q. Q is for queen. Kids now draw R. R is for rat and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw S. S is for sun. T. T is for tiger. It's neither U. U is for umbrella and use blue color. Sorry kids, red color. V. V is for van. W. W is for wolf. Kids neither X. X is for X-ray and use yellow color. Y. Y is for yo-yo. Z. Z is for zebra. Kids neither numbers. It's first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use green color. 2. The numbers of 2. Kids neither 3. The numbers of 3 Kids write 4. The numbers of 4 and use yellow ochre color. 5. The numbers of 5. 6. The numbers of 6. Kids write 7. The numbers of 7 and use black color. 8. The numbers of 8. 9. The numbers of 9. 10. The numbers of 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.